Hi everyone, I received this tap filter from WaterScience today and I'm so thrilled to tell you all about it. This water filter removes the sand, dust and sediment from your water so you have clean water for all your kitchen needs. It comes with a spanner and adapter and contains 3 filters so you don't need a plumber to fix it. Step 1, remove the aerator of your tap. Mine wasn't very tight so I didn't need a spanner. Step 2, align the threads of the adapter and rotate to tighten. Step 3, plug in the filter into place and that's it. You have clear, sediment-free water for your kitchen to wash your utensils, vegetables and fruits. The pack only costs 495 rupees and comes with 3 filters. Each filter lasts about 2 months, so that means the entire pack is good for about 6 months. So what are you waiting for? Go ahead and log on to www.waterscience.in and buy it now.